How to disconnect phone contacts from Tinder. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect phone contacts from Tinder. To do so, open your Tinder application on your mobile device first and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and in this page here tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After doing that, you will reach to the settings page. Here you will need to scroll down until you find this block contacts option. Simply tap on this block contacts. And in this page at the top right, you'll be able to locate three dots icon. Tap on the three dots icon, and from the list you can select disconnect contact list. Tap on disconnect contact list, or you may also go to the settings of your device, and from the settings page scroll down to find the application options. Tap on it. Here scroll down to find the Tinder application. Once you locate the Tinder application, you will need to simply tap on it to open it, and inside it here locate the permissions option. Tap on permissions, and here if your contacts are allowed, tap on the contacts option and select don't allow. By doing so, you will be able to remove phone contacts from your Tinder. Now when you return back to the Tinder application, here you will not be able to see any contacts linked to your Tinder account. So by following these steps, you should be able to disconnect phone contacts from your Tinder profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.